Alright, so I'm currently walking towards the back of the flat right there, but the reason why I'm doing this is I really need these views because I really like having views. So I need to show you guys something. Two things actually that's in the river behind that place. Okay, so someone's doing this all, whatever that is about. But let's go. There's like a bicycle. And there's like a bike, like a little girl bike, and there's like a car rear, like a rear of a car, like a bumper. It's really early. It's 11:30. It's starting to rain as well. That's not good. I can't record to these people here. Alright, so it's just down here. That's the nurses' offices and all that. I got checked out my ear there. I feel like sneaking up. But I'm just gonna show you that I really like recording videos outside. Like, I wish I could do this more. I'm allowed outside a lot, but sometimes I forget to charge my phone. I don't bring my phone out as much as well because I've always got stuff to do with my friends. I don't want to go that way. Yeah, go this way. Right there, but I jumped across there before. It's just down here. Like, that looks like Nos, but it's not. It's just a drain pipe, I'm pretty sure. Let me check that. Yeah, that's a drain pipe. Ugh. Bro, it's like an Audi. That's like the Audi R3. Bro, those are old. Those are just brand new, bro. Like, let me show you the bicycle that's over there. Yeah, you can't see it, but I can. I'm just running right there. I pushed it into the river. I was like, time to give it a little wash to my friend Alfie. But then, yeah, you can see that now. I mean, okay. Gotta find it now. My mum said to not get my shoes wet. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna happen. Okay, I jumped there. The bicycle's quite far. Let me climb. We're also gonna go further. Like, I really like going here every single day. And sadly, didn't get to come yesterday because I don't really remember because I'm dumb as hell. But look at, I almost slipped into that river. Is that sick? That is disgusting, but look. Can you see that? Look. Can you see that? Bro, look at, it's not even got washed. I swear I just gave this thing a wash. Oh, the tires definitely got washed. A little bit. I really... What is that stuff? That's disgusting. I'm getting up. This is quite steep. Climbing up. Oh. I felt like that was quicksand. I'm pretty sure that was just dirt breaking. Look over here. There's like bottles and all that. Look. Yeah, see, there's a bottle there. There's a bunch of wood and all that. But Let's go check out the library. I don't want to get caught by anyone. Might actually be open. You know, early libraries open and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I can't see anyone in there. But the lights are off, so there's like that. One time I went in there and I saw RC racing inside a certain room. Check this place out, Park Road, Scotland. Bro, literally, it's got RC cars, sometimes a lot of events here. It's so surprising to live super near this place. Fife is here. Yeah, they're not open. Parkage. Someone's right there. Flip. Someone's right there. Someone's right there. I think there's a worker. Got down guy with an orange suit on. Look. Just coming to check this place out. My first time having Puma shoes as well. These are my only Puma shoes I have. I've not worn Puma before. I mean, I'm surprised I'm allowed here. Look. I go to a shop here all the time. Yeah, let's go check it out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see, look at those flats, they're so good. Literally. I know this place so well. Masco's all the way down there, but surprisingly, even that one day. Hope it doesn't get worse today. I'll be more. If you want me to upload more videos outside, keep you updated. You need at least 200 likes on this video and 2k views. And if we don't get that, I'm not uploading no more outside videos because I'm actually really liking this video, but I'm gonna edit a picture to make this video, and I think I'll actually get more views for that. It's gonna be like an arrow pointing at a bike. Yeah, but hopefully don't open that window when I'm right there. Yeah, look. Let's go over to the park. It's not gonna take long at all. Nah, I'm gonna sneak up on this place. I wanna show you more. I need to use my stealth skills. Just be normal, just be normal. Once we get up close here to that ramp, we're going up there. Okay, I'm here. Read. Alright, let's go to the park. I'll show you that. I'm going to show you the park. CCTV, where the camera's literally facing random people's houses. Like, that's not explaining nothing. Okay. I wish I could speed this up. Wait, I'm gonna pause it. I'll tell you when I get there. Alright, so we're halfway there. We might actually meet up with my friend Prince. But I'm just gonna pause the video for now. And we're gonna get over there. Bye. Alright, I made it to the park. Prince!
Where are you going?
To the park! Prince!
Yeah?
See, after I do this video, right? I'm gonna show you something crazy.
Wait, what?
What?
Did you get this
This is mine.
sweatshirt? I have the same one as you.
I got gloves. I'm not gonna go no more.
I was trying to come after you, but I was going. I called your mum if I can come to your house. I was like, oh, maybe you're sleeping.
I wasn't
And
sleeping.
Sophia.
My mum was sleeping, but
Yeah.
not me. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Bye.